If you want to listen to music on Spotify without premium, you can still use the free version of the app. First, download and open Spotify from the Play Store, App Store, or desktop website. Then sign in to your account or create one for free. With the free plan, you can stream songs, playlists, podcasts, and albums without paying for a subscription. However, there are a few limitations compared to premium. On mobile devices, Spotify Free usually plays music in shuffle mode for many playlists, and you'll hear occasional ads between songs. Some tracks may also have skip limits. On desktop or web browser versions, you get more playback control and can often play songs in the exact order you want, even without premium. You can also create your own playlists, follow artists, and listen to podcasts completely free. If you want a better experience without paying, try downloading Spotify on PC or using the web player in your browser, since it offers fewer restrictions than the mobile version. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.